Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at The Stamps of Life, and I'm really excited to share these products with you today. It's kind of like a birthday type theme. Kind of. Yes, mostly. Sort of. Okay, the first one is a happy folded. So if you have any other die word, this will be perfect. Happy Mother's Day, Happy Father's Day, Happy Valentine's Day, Happy Birthday, Anniversary, Retirement, whatever. And the cool thing is yes, it does have the stitching letters. Not all of them have the stitching letters, but this one does. And I have lots of fun samples to share with you. Now, along the happy birthday theme, we also have these awesome die words. I know they don't look like much here. I'll show you some samples that says, Happy Birthday to You. Nice. Also, in the theme of birthday or celebrate, we have a confetti, also known, well, mostly sprinkles. This is a sprinkles background die. And, dun, 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 it's time for some more epoxy dots. Those of you that are addicted to epoxy dots like I am, you're getting a 3-pack of birthday type colors. Now, let me share my samples with you because I think I'm going to knock your socks off. Let's start with the happy. Here we go. Here we have Happy Easter. Now, look at how gorgeous that is with our Easter statement set. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that fun? I absolutely love that. Ooh, and we even got on here our Starburst background die, and I believe we even have some of our stencil paste, which is really fun. Here we have Happy Birthday statement die set. Nice big birthday. Eat cake. Look at this. Here we have a happy and then a little birthday. You're going to use any of your dies to do this. So here we have a big birthday. Here we have a little birthday. Either one's going to work perfect with this die set, right? Or you could make it a shaker and have it say Happy Everything. Nice, right? Why not go for the big? Go big. Say Happy Everything. Here we have Happy with a cute little sloth. Don't worry, be happy, which is really cute. Or another Happy Easter. So you can even use stamps if you want. Happy Easter, which is so beautiful with our mini pudgy bunny. Now, here's a cute one. Happy Birthday. Look at how fun that is in the piñata theme. Absolutely adorable. So cute. It's time to celebrate. So those are the happies. Let's move forward. Here we have that fun Happy Birthday to You. So perfect for your slimline cards. Or let's find one that it is on, oh, look at this one. Just using the Happy Birthday on a Flip It card. Fun. Here's a cute one. Happy Birthday. Also using that Sprinkles background die to you. Happy Birthday to you. Open that up. You can hide a gift card in there. So fun with that sprinkles on the back with matching sprinkles pattern paper. Look at how cute that is. Open that up. It's always fun when our pattern paper matches our dies, matches our stamps, matches everything, right? Here's a cute one. Happy Birthday using that background sprinkles. Open that magic up. Happy Birthday to You with our double Z fold card. I absolutely love that. Isn't it beautiful? Here's a cute one with the sprinkles in the background. Happy Birthday. Oh, look how beautiful this one is. Sprinkles in the background, colored. You can just use a colored pen to color those in. So fun. Here's a cute one. Happy Birthday. This is from our Happy Birthday Jesus set, but you don't have to say Jesus. It could just be somebody's birthday. Happy birthday. Doily alert. I always like to point those out. Doily alert. Look how cute that is with our sprinkle stencil. Love it. Here is a cute one, Happy Birthday, with that sprinkle stencil in the background. Love it. Oh, here, look how fun this is. Now, here is using the Happy Birthday to You without the shadow dies. So it comes with shadow dies, as you can see here. It comes with the shadow dies, but you don't have to use the shadow dies if you don't want to, which is really fantastic. Here's a cute one with the shadow dice, so now you can see the difference. Look at that. Happy Birthday to You. And I see a sneak peek on that one. How fun. And here's a cute one. Happy Birthday to You. Oh, look how cute this one is. This one's using the sprinkle background die, but just a little. Not all of it. They're covering some of it, so it's just in one spot. And this one is my favorite this time. Are you ready for this? Remember our party hat folded? take our party hat, fold it, and put that sprinkles background die on top of that triangle. And now you have a sprinkles party hat folded. Isn't that cute? With our happy birthday and then to you on the inside. Absolutely adorable. Now, club members, of course you're getting the club discount on all these products. If you're not in the club, I don't know what to tell you. You have to join. It's only $13.99 a month, and you get a brand new stamp set sent to you each month, and then you're getting a 15% discount off of everything on our website. Now, if you want a 20% discount off of everything on our website, go watch the club video to find out how you can get 20% off our entire website. And club members, yeah, you know, you're getting a club discount on all of these. And we have online galleries for all of these products. Go to the product page on any of these items, click on View Gallery, and you're going to get to see all of the awesome ideas that we have available to you. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.